Hey there, I'm Daniel, and today we're gonna fix the Mercedes Star. So what had happened was I borrowed my son's car, did a couple errands, ran around, and I thought, you know what, let's throw it in a car wash. When I come home, first thing I noticed, the Mercedes Star is gone, and I'm thinking one of those snot-nosed kids just ripped off the star to make a little chain like the rappers did in the 90s. So we look at the dash cam and nope, happened in the car wash. The car wash, one of those bristles just caught it, ripped it right off, and here we go. So let's go order one and get this stuff changed out. Let's go. So let's jump on Amazon and get the part. So what we're doing here, we're gonna look for the W220 because that's what our car is, and just star. And now you will see several different versions, some with a blue or a black ring, like in these cases. What I'm looking for is just a cheap one. So this one fits the bill. I will post the links to all of them in there. And what we're looking for is W220, which is right here, but it will fit on all these other cars as well. So any of the S classes, also the European version, it will fit. It will also fit a bunch of E classes. I believe some of the C classes have the same exact star. So we're gonna add this to the cart and go to checkout and place the order for it to come. Here we go. And through the magic of editing, this is what we got. This is the exact part number that I decided for this car. Now there's different versions, there's caps, there's different colors. They will all fit this car, but in this case, I just want to replace what's originally there. So let's start it. So this is what it looks like from the inside. Mercedes recommends you use a special tool, but just a set of pliers should be good enough to take this off. So let's get to it. So comparing these two, they quite don't feel the same. I mean, they look very much alike and it has some weight to it, what I would expect, and it came in an original Mercedes package. So I believe it's original, but this mechanism right here, I mean, I can turn this with my fingers very easy. So I guess it's gonna tighten up somehow inside of it. Whereas the old one, yes, I know it's a lot older, but the old one, I can barely turn with my hands. And even the way it engages, it is much tighter. So I hope it's not a quality difference, but then again, the car is 16 years old. If that was a restoration for something that's going to be worth a lot of money, I'm not sure if I would buy that. But for our application, $21, $22, $25, even $40, well worth it. So let's pop it back in. Alright, here we go. That was fairly simple. Just pop it out, pop it in, and that is it. Now, because we don't use the original Mercedes tool, which Mercedes probably charges a pretty penny for, and for most of us, it's a once-in-a-lifetime mod or exchange or whatever you want to do with it. Just be careful that on here, this is aluminum. If you apply too much pressure on it this way, it will actually bend. And I've seen people on YouTube where they just spent the crap out of it and they can't put it back together. Just use it right here on this one side and you should be able to turn it without too much trouble. So that was it. If you enjoy what we're doing or what we're trying to do, consider subscribing. I really appreciate that if you do. Also leave me comments, questions. I try to answer most of them. But until next time, take care.